Do you want to see an amazing trick? Yay! So today I'm going to show you a needle balancing on water. So for this trick we need a tissue, a bowl of water, needle and something special that I will tell you later. So let us try to float this needle on water. As you can see, the needle always sinks. Let's try one more time and see if it floats.
Oh man.
As you can see, it has sinked again. Now we will try to float the needle with the help of a tissue. Now we have to fold the tissue and carefully like this and do not let the needle fall. Now we will put it.
Oh man.
Oh no, it has sinked again. Now we used something special and now we will try to see if it floats. It will take some time to tissue to sink.
But हल्का
Wow, it has floated.
Yay!
The special thing is oil. I have coated this needle with oil. The oil floats on top of water and creates a surface tension that helps to float this needle. If you love this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more science tricks. Thank you.